I'm Anna Austin-Bowski. The date is November 8th, 2020. This video is about anatomical terms and definitions. So we're going to start off with anterior and posterior. So if I'm like to the side like this, anterior is towards the front of the body and posterior is towards the back of the body. So if you're going up here, anterior, back there, posterior. The next would be superior and inferior. Towards the head is superior. If you're going towards the head, superior. Away from the head is inferior. So you're going up, superior, kind of thing on top, inferior, away from the head. We have proximal and distal, which is about the close terms, the closer to or far from terms. Proximal is closer, like talking about two things closer to each other. Then it would be from the trunk of the body. So like my arm or my shoulder and my elbow are proximal to each other. Then it is from the trunk of the body, and distal is the opposite, farther away. Then two things would be from the trunk of the body. Now we have medial and lateral. So if we put a line down my body, medial is going towards the center line, and lateral is going away from the center line. So if something is going towards the center, it's medial. Away, it's lateral. And then we have superficial and deep. So if we cut my arm in half, deep would be the center, closer to the center, and then superficial would be closer to the surface of the skin, so more to the outside, and then deeper in is deep, obviously. Next we have the planes. Sorry, I'm trying to make this under 3 minutes, but next we have the planes. I kind of think of it as like the different views. We have sagittal plane, which is like, I like the idea of cutting the brain in half. And the side, you kind of cut it in half long ways. We have transverse plane, and frontal plane. Transverse plane is cutting it kind of in half, if that makes sense. I think so, yeah. Oh no, that's transversal, no, frontal. Frontal is like cutting it in half. Transverse is like cutting it long ways, like in the middle. And then sagittal is like cutting it long ways. That's really hard to explain when you don't have like a picture, but yeah. I'm at 3 minutes, so